Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a dedicated baker, or simply trying to keep your portions in check for weight loss or a keto lifestyle, a reliable kitchen scale is essential. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, with its digital accuracy and sleek stainless steel design, is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking and meal prep. Sleek, durable design. One of the first things you'll notice about the Etekcity Scale is its minimalist design. Made with 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's not only visually appealing, but also durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. The medium-sized platform offers enough space to weigh a variety of ingredients, from small herbs to bulkier items like fruits or cuts of meat. Its compact design also means it won't take up too much space in your kitchen drawers or countertops, perfect for apartment living or smaller kitchens. Precision that matters. This digital scale measures in both grams and ounces, making it ideal for all your cooking and baking needs. It provides measurements in 1 gram per 0.04 ounce increments, ensuring accuracy even with the smallest ingredients. Whether you're measuring flour for a cake or tracking macros for meal prep, you'll get precise results every time. There's also a tare function, which is incredibly useful. With the press of a button, you can subtract the weight of a container or bowl, giving you the net weight of just the ingredients. No mental math required. Versatility for every kitchen task. The Etekcity Kitchen Scale isn't just for baking. It's also great for meal prepping. Keep your portions controlled and consistent. Keto or low-carb diets. Track macros accurately for each meal. Weight loss. Maintain calorie awareness and control serving sizes. Cooking. Perfect your recipes with exact measurements. Plus, it supports multiple units, grams, ounces, pounds, ounces, milliliters, and fluid ounces, making it handy for international recipes or liquid measurements. Easy to read LCD display. The backlit LCD display is bright and clear, making it easy to read from any angle, even in low light. The scale also includes an auto-off feature to save battery life, and it runs on standard AAA batteries included. So you're ready to go right out of the box. Why choose the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale? With thousands of positive reviews, Etekcity has established itself as a trusted name in home tech. This scale combines affordability, accuracy, and style, making it a smart investment for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a compact powerhouse that brings precision and convenience to your cooking routine. Whether you're managing your diet, perfecting your baking skills, or just looking to cook more efficiently, this scale delivers. At its budget-friendly price point, it's a small tool with a big impact. Thanks for watching the video.